As a fervent aficionado of outdoor cooking, I embarked on a quest to uncover the ultimate outdoor pizza oven. My journey led me to the NutriChef Portable Outdoor Gas Pizza Oven, a culinary marvel that promised to redefine my al fresco dining experiences. Intrigued by its innovative features and rave reviews, I eagerly put this portable oven to the test, and what followed was an Epicurean adventure unlike any other. Design and portability. The NutriChef Pizza Oven's design is a testament to both functionality and aesthetics. Crafted with a unique foldable feet design, it boasts unparalleled portability, allowing me to effortlessly transport it to various outdoor settings. Whether I'm gracing my backyard, hosting a beachside soiree, or embarking on a camping escapade, this portable oven stands ready to elevate my culinary endeavors. Gas-powered convenience. One of the standout features of this outdoor oven is its gas-fueled operation, which ensures maximum convenience and efficiency. Equipped with a built-in gas ignition, it effortlessly ignites flames at the touch of a button, eliminating the hassle of traditional fire-starting methods. The adjustable heat control dial further enhances its versatility, enabling precise temperature regulation for a myriad of culinary creations, from succulent meats to perfectly charred vegetables. Performance and versatility. With a maximum temperature reaching a staggering 932 degrees Fahrenheit, this pizza oven is not merely a kitchen appliance, it's a culinary powerhouse. In just 60 seconds, it transforms raw dough into piping hot, stone-baked masterpieces, each bite bursting with flavor and authenticity. Its expansive cooking area accommodates 12-inch pizzas with ease, while the included pizza stone ensures uniform heat distribution and impeccable crust texture. Moreover, the oven's versatility knows no bounds, allowing me to explore an array of culinary delights, from artisanal bread to delectable desserts, all with unrivaled precision and efficiency. Ease of use and assembly. True to its promise of simplicity, the NutriChef Pizza Oven boasts effortless assembly and operation. With no tools required, I was able to assemble and install the oven in a matter of minutes, freeing up valuable time for culinary creativity. The inclusion of a regulator with a generous 39-37-inch hose adds to the oven's user-friendly design, ensuring seamless gas connectivity and hassle-free cooking experiences. Whether baking a fresh Neapolitan-style pizza or experimenting with gourmet toppings, this oven simplifies the culinary process, allowing me to focus on the artistry of outdoor cooking. Durability and maintenance. Constructed from high-grade stainless steel and commercial-grade cold-rolled carbon steel, the NutriChef Pizza Oven exudes durability and resilience. Its insulated body and die-cast aluminum forehead ensure superior heat retention and longevity, withstanding the rigors of outdoor cooking environments. Cleaning and maintenance are a breeze, thanks to the oven's sleek exterior and stainless steel construction. A simple application of stainless steel cleaning solution rejuvenates its appearance, preserving its luster for countless culinary adventures to come. In conclusion, the NutriChef Portable Outdoor Gas Pizza Oven transcends the realm of traditional outdoor cooking appliances, offering a seamless blend of performance, convenience, and versatility. Its portable design, gas-powered operation, and rapid heating capabilities make it a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts and culinary connoisseurs alike. Whether crafting artisanal pizzas, roasting succulent meats, or baking decadent desserts, this oven delivers unparalleled results with every use. Elevate your outdoor dining experiences and unleash your culinary creativity with a NutriChef Pizza Oven, a culinary game-changer that redefines the art of outdoor cooking. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.